I feel like I could go for a sister Starbucks today, but a sister can only afford a homemade organic green tea. Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today is super exciting because your girl, me, is going to try to follow a James Charles makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to do this for super long, see how my skills have evolved. I really love James Charles. If you don't know who he is, have you been living under a rock?
I wanted to sit down and just do some type of glam look.
I will leave a link to his channel in the description box below to give him credit for this video. He is a fantastic makeup artist and we are going to follow his tutorial today. I'm going to have to use my son's tablet because my computer is not working at the moment. Without any further ado, we're gonna play my intro, so let's do this.
I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
I put together this winged out bronzy half tone.
I love this look.
I absolutely am in love with. I already went ahead and I primed my face using my moisturizer, and then I'm gonna go with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD.
Okay, so he primed his face using moisturizer, so no primer. I guess I'll go in with the Cereve PM facial moisturizing lotion. I don't know what's gonna happen with my pores if I don't put primer, but we're gonna go for it. What's next? Makeup Forever HD foundation I do not have. So he's using a beauty sponge. Hold up, I gotta go get one. This is a damn beauty blender sponge in a while. You guys know I'm crazy about putting on my foundation with my Morphe M439, but we're gonna go for it. All right, let's see what happens next.
Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Natural Beige.
Okay, so we can mix two foundations together. I have the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I do have the Kat Von D Lock, a couple pumps of that.
To lock our face in place, we're going to be using, of course, the Mercier translucent setting powder.
Okay, I have that. And I see he just lightly is tapping it all over his face.
Light, medium, honey,
so he's going in with this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have that as well. Going on under his eyes. Triangle, you know they all do that. Oh, I've never seen this before. He's going down the sides of his nose. He's pouncing it in with his beauty blender. It's been a while, beauty blender. So we meet again. He went in with the Mercier.
Bronzer. And for this, I'm going to use my Benefit HOOLA bronzer.
HOOLA bronzer. I have that.
Next, I'm going to grab my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette.
Kat Von D Shade and Light. Okay, I don't have that. I want it, but I don't have it. So I'm going to go in with my Disney Limited Edition Contour Palette. I know it's not the same. And let's see what he's going to do with it. Like this. And what are you doing?
We dip into this light yellow shade.
Light yellow shade.
Use that a little bit to reinforce the highlights on my face.
Okay, so he's using it to, he's using the yellow color and bringing it underneath where he highlighted, even though he baked, to reinforce the highlight of his face. That's a great idea. So basically, the bronzer is going around the perimeter of the face, and he wants to use banana powder to bring the attention to the middle. So he's putting it here, 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 and here.
Snatched and fully chiseled.
Snatched and fully chiseled. Now he's going to contour with the darkest color, the Shade and Light palette. Darkest color out of my Disney palette, and I will contour my nose. He's going back and forth with two colors, so the darkest and then the middle darkest. Use my Luxie double-sided brush to blend this nose contour out because it's looking kind of crazy. Let me find out, James Charles. So he's going to bake the sides of his nose with the Mercier with his beauty blender, so I'm going to do the same thing.
I guess might as well go really full dive bake the rest of my face.
Okay, so he just decided he wants to bake his underneath of his contour so that he looks chiseled. I always do that stuff, so I ain't mad at it. I prefer the powder, especially since we don't have any primer on, rip. I hope my mom does this challenge. I love you, Mom. Do this challenge. I mean, not challenge, but recreate this look, Ma.
I just went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera.
Okay, so he did his eyebrows off camera, which I already did because I had seen the video, and he already has dusted off his bake. So let me dust off all that bake. Oh, I have that brush. Let me get it. To the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm batting 1,000 with James today. I have most of the stuff that he's using.
Grab this kind of mac and cheese type shade, and I'm just gonna put that all up in the crease.
Okay, so he's going all up in the crease with the orangey mac and cheese, so he calls it shade right here. I have to do both eyes on camera because he did one.
Into this orange shade right up in here and put that in the crease once again to deepen it out.
Okay, it's here. His looks as heavy as mine right now, see?
To this outer corner, I'm going to wing out the shadow.
Oh, so he is winging it out, good.
Next, I'm going to dip into this warm tone brown shade right up in here.
He's taking the deeper brown shade.
Corner and blend that up a little bit into the crease.
I want you guys to recreate this too. Now what's he gonna do?
And 509 brush, I'm just going to grab the
Slightest bit of black.
in the bottom corner and just deepen out the very, very, very outer V. I'm going to go to my Morphe 35O palette in my Makeup Shack T6 brush, and I'm going to dip into this orange shade in the bottom right corner.
Okay, so he's using like an orangey color. Fenty Beauty palette. We're gonna go into this very sparkly orange on this lid brush. He packs it onto his lid. Let's see what he does now.
The crease. Oh, the shadow is literally so pretty. Oh my god.
It's literally the same.
The shadows on there. I'm just gonna grab a clean blending brush and go right over those edges to make sure everything is really, really diffused and blended out. I'm gonna grab these Stila liquid glitters.
I have that too.
Rose Gold Retro. You guys
Rose Gold Retro. That's not the one I have in my hand. So let me get Rose Gold Retro. This is a smoldering satin. I do have Rose Gold Retro. Give me 5 seconds. This is super exciting. James Charles and I like the same makeup. Either that or I'm a hoarder who has no self-control.
Hi, my name's Veronica, and I'm a makeup hoarder.
Oh, this is Kitten Karma. Where's Rose Gold Retro? I have it. Rose Gold Retro, baby. What are you doing with that Rose Gold Retro, James? Let's find out.
I'm just gonna lightly pat this over top of that shadow.
He's taking a lid brush. He's putting it on the lid brush and then packing it on the lid. Gorgeous. I love this. I don't know if I would wear it on a Friday afternoon in a black t-shirt because he's literally wearing a black t-shirt. I'm sure he's doing that just not to get dirty because he's going to an event, but I'm gonna wear this black t-shirt all day.
That looks so pretty. For the lower lash, then I'm gonna go into my M433 and dip into that burnt orange shade once again.
One, and he's going down the lower lash line. He's going in with the brown now on top of that burnt orange. So he's going back into that brown and he's diffusing it out. My husband's gonna be like,
Where do you think you're going?
let's go.
More of that translucent powder that I use, doesn't matter which one. And I'm just going to put a little bit of powder right underneath that shadow to kind of...
He's gonna put some translucent powder.
Waterline. Since this look is super, super intense and dark on those outer corners, I definitely want to use a lighter color in the waterline to open my eyes back up, or else they're gonna look super, super small.
And with the cream colored liner. So I am gonna go in with the Lasting Drama Nude Pencil by Maybelline.
Do a light coat of Benefit Roller Lash. You guys know this is my all-time fave.
Okay, Benefit Roller Lash. Right, we're done. We're really doing good. So I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash.
And then for lashes, I'm gonna pop up my...
He's putting on lashes, so I'm gonna pause right there because I don't have any lashes on me today.
We're gonna be using the Anastasia So Hollywood Illuminator.
I heard that if you have the Anastasia Amrezy, you don't need to get it. So just so you know, he is using that brush. I will show you.
Hollywood.
Just gonna go into the Amrezy. Here comes the crazy part. But I don't have those stickers, so I am going to use the Too Faced Lucky Bitch to create little golden freckles, because that's exactly what he's putting on his face.
Place it on my skin where I want it, and I think I'm gonna put this right over here on my highlight region. Not worried. I'm just being really, really careful because obviously we don't want our entire face to get wet, just the part that...
All right, obviously you can skip this step.
We learned in my video from a few weeks ago.
Basically just gonna look like you have glitter fallout. But I mean, I see where he's going with this. Cute little glitter freckles.
So freaking cute. Lining my lips using the MAC lip pencil in the shade Whirl.
Huda Beauty contour pencil and trophy wipe. It's the same color as MAC Whirl. An O for lipstick that I don't have, but it was a nude-ish peachy nude, so I'm going to put that in the middle. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in the colors Sandstorm. Set with his Morphe setting spray. I'm going to set with my rose water facial spray. Let's spray it one more time because of all that powder.
Alright, sisters, and that is this bronzy gold festival style makeup look. I don't know what.
All right, sisters, this is this bronzy gold festival makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit that like button and let me know if you're going to follow this tutorial. I love you guys so much. Peace.